going today, I'm going to show you guys how you can buy and sell on Pump.fun. And this is actually very easy. First thing you want to do is head over to Pump.fun, the website. And once you've done it, make sure that you've signed up by clicking over at the right side and you'll see something called connect to wallet. And you just need to connect your wallet. And once you've done it, the interface will look something like this. Now, what we want to do is we want to look for a token or a meme coin that we think is really going to do well. And for this, what we should usually do is look at the coins that have a lot of, uh, market cap, because that means that we can make more money on it. As you can see, 12 seconds ago, 14 seconds ago, like this is just wild, how much, like how many amount of coins get made in a day. But once I find a good one, I'll show you guys how to do it. As you can see, I sorted them by market cap, and this one is created by someone called Satoshi, and this is basically fart coin, and it is going down ever since. Now let's say whether you want to buy or sell it. So after studying the trade, you think that this is going to go up or go down depending on you. If you want to think that this is going up and you want to buy, just put in the amount of Solana with whom you want to buy it and click on place order, and it will be bought. And if you want to simply sell it, then do the same thing. You want to click on how many amount of hydrate you want to sell and then click on place trade. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.